Welcome to the second video in this series of video lectures. So the second question is, prove that 4 cos 36 plus cot 7.5 is equal to root 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 5 plus root 6. Some important points which we should know is, what is the value of sine 15? All of us know how to calculate the value of sine 15 degrees, because sine 15 can be expressed as sine 45 minus 30. Now here we can apply sine of a minus b, because we know that what is sine of a minus b. This is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So here we can write easily sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 and sine 30. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is again root 3 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, and this is 1 by 2. So overall what do we get? We get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, this is nothing but the value of sine 15 degree. We should also know the value of cos 15 degrees, because cos 15 again can be expressed as cos 45 minus 30. And now here we apply the formula of cos of a minus b, which is nothing but cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. And now this is cos 45 into cos 30 plus sine 45 into sine 30. So again we substitute the values. This is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2, this is again 1 by root 2, and this is again 1 by 2. So the value of cos 15 comes out to be root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now the next value which we should know is cos 18 degrees. So let's try to calculate cos 18 degrees. So for this we will assume theta to be 18 degrees. So 5 theta would be 90 degrees. Now 5 theta can be expressed as 2 theta plus 3 theta. This is 90 degrees. So 2 theta can be written as 90 minus 3 theta. Now if I apply sine on both sides, this is sine of 2 theta, which is equal to sine of 90 minus 3 theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Here this is sine 2 theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 3 theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now if we will bring all the terms on one side, so what do we get? This is 2 sine theta cos theta plus 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta is equals to 0. Now if we take cos theta is equal common, so what do we get? This is 2 sine theta plus 3 minus 4 cos square theta. Now one thing is very obvious, cos theta cannot be 0, because product of two things 0, either first is 0, second 0, because theta is 18 degrees, which is in the first quadrant, right? And in the first quadrant cos will be 0 at 90 degrees. Okay, so again other reasoning could be that theta is 18 degrees, which is not a odd multiple of pi by 2, because cos is 0 at the odd multiples of pi by 2. It means the other factor, which is 2 sine theta plus 3 minus 4 cos square theta, must be 0. So if we put this value equals to 0, what do we get? We get 2 sine theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equals to 0. Now cos square theta can be expressed as 1 minus sine square theta plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we will make a quadratic. So the quadratic is 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta minus 1 is equals to 0. Again we will apply quadratic formula here. So sine theta is minus 2 plus minus 2 into root 5 by 8. Okay, so this can be written as minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 4, which is sine theta. Again now theta is in the first quadrant, theta is 18 degrees in the first quadrant, it should be positive. So therefore sine 18 will take the positive value, which is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So that is the value of sine 18. Now we can also calculate theta is nothing but 18 only. So sine 18 comes out to be minus 1 plus root 5 or root 5 minus 1 by 4. We can clearly easily calculate cos 18 from here, because cos 18 is nothing but 1 minus sine square 18 degrees in the under root, right? So this is square root of 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. This is further written as 1 minus, so this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16 whole under root, which is nothing but 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16 under root. This is nothing but 10 plus root 5 2 root 5 by 16 under root, which could be further written as cos 18 is equals to, so under root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So that is the value of cos 18 degrees. Now why have we calculated cos 18? Because in the question he has asked us cos 36 degrees. So cos 36 can be expressed as, this is cos 2 into 18, cos 2 theta. And cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is 2 cos square 18 minus 1. So 18 we have already calculated now. So this is nothing but 2 times. So 10 plus 2 root 5, because it is square, divided by 16 minus 1. So just cancel out this. This will be 8, right? So this would be 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 8 divided by 8, which is nothing but 2 root 5 plus 2 divided by 8, or we can easily write it as root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So this is nothing but the value of cos 36, but we need the value of 4 cos 36. So 4 cos 36 is nothing but under root 5 plus 1. So that is something which we have calculated for the first part, that is 4 cos 36. Now we need to calculate the value of cot 7.5. So let's see how to calculate the value of cot 7.5 now. For cot 7.5 we need to use one identity. This is cot theta can be expressed as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta. Let us quickly verify this, because 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So clearly from here we can see that cos theta by sin theta, which is cot theta. So this is the fact which I will be using up here. So this is cot 7.5. This can be expressed as 1 plus cos 15 divided by sin 15. Already we have just calculated in the beginning of the lecture the values of cos 15 and sin 15. So cos 15 is nothing but 1 plus, so what is this, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sin 15 is nothing but root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now if we take the LCM, this would be 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, because 2 root 2 will get cancelled out. Now just rationalize it, multiply divide by root 3 plus 1. So if we multiply by root 3 plus 1, and now we simply multiply the terms. So what do we get? Root 3 times 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 plus 1 times 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1, and in the denominator this is a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square, which is 3 minus 1 2. Okay, so now what is this? This is nothing but 2 root 6 plus 3 plus root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is nothing but now 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3, because root 3 is added 2 times, right? And 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2. Just cancel out 2 now. What do we get? Root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3 and 2. And the value of 2 can be written as root 4, right? So this is root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4. And this is nothing but the value of cot 7.5. At the last, what he has asked? He has asked us to calculate the value of 4 cos 36 plus cot 7.5. So cos 36 we have already calculated. Just see, 4 cos 36 is root 5 plus 1. So just put the values here. So this is, so the value of this is root 5 plus 1, and the values of this is root 6 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4. Now we simply write these term in a fixed pattern. So this is nothing but 1 can be written as root1. Okay, this is root2, the next one. The next root3 plus root4 plus root5 plus root6. So this is one of the famous question. We should know this value directly. That is, the value of 4 cos 36 plus cot 7.5 is root1 plus root2 plus root3 plus root4 plus root5 plus root6. I hope you have understood this video lecture. For more such lectures, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.